My name is JT. Needle swallowing trick is one of the most iconic effects in magic. It's viral, it's shocking, and when it's done well, it gets huge reactions. But there's also a reason many magicians choose not to perform it. The traditional method can be genuinely risky. Sharp needles inside their mouth, under pressure. So we created threaded, a version designed to dramatically reduce the stress and danger. Because in threaded, the needles never directly touch the inside of their mouth, and because of the way it's engineered, it's also cleaner and more hygienic than the traditional approach. No awkward moments, no searching for the thread end, just a smooth performance from start to finish. Threaded is practical. It packs small, plays big. It's easy to do, and it's perfect for close-up, parlor, and stage. If you've always loved this classic, but never felt completely comfortable performing it, Threaded was made for you.